Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error with Windows 10. So if you have Windows 10 update in current error, so how you can fix it. So for fixing, just go to search tab and just write in search tab troubleshoot. So here you can see troubleshoot settings, so just tap on it. Just wait until it will load. So here you need to choose in get up and running Windows Update, so just tap on Windows Update here and choose Run the Troubleshooter. So now just wait until it will open troubleshooter window. Here you can see now it's detecting the problem, and you just need to wait some time until it will detect all the problems with your Windows Update, and you will have opportunity for solving it. So just wait some time. So sometimes it also takes some time for detecting it, so you just need to wait. And after, you will see a list of problems you have with Windows Update that your system will detect, and you will be able for automatical resolve it. So just you will choose from this list what problems you want to solve, and it will automatically solve all these problems. So this is the way how you can do it. So after, you just need to restart your computer, so just go to start menu and just tap here on power and choose restart here. So after, your computer will restart, so I hope that it will solve your error and you won't see this error again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.